Alright, so welcome to a one bedroom here in Mango Tree Residences, West Tower. So sobrang spacious niya. Ayan o. And then sobrang ganda ng view. And also the window is floor to ceiling, kaya sobrang ganda ng natural light. At ayan ang view natin. Kitang-kita yung yung City Hall, Santolan Plaza, as in walang obstructions yung view. Ayan, sobrang lawak pa niya. Ayan, mataas ang ceiling. And ito yung bathroom natin, ang laki din, maluwag. Ayan. And for the laundry, ang laki ng bedroom pati. May provisions for the closet. Ganda nito. Yan, ang ganda ng view.